Hey guys, Larry the Tractor Guy here. We're working in the shop today on a 9R tractor and 9510R here, and I'm going to show you real quick a quick way to take a look at your torsional damper, which is the rubber coupler on the back of the flywheel of the engine that drives your transmission. Okay, so I've got the old torsional damper, which was just about to fail on this tractor and causing a pretty good vibration, but just going to show you a quick way to take a look at that without removing that from the tractor. So if you take a look at this portion here in between the rubber portion of the torsional damper and the outer housing, and it's got a pretty good gap there, probably almost a ½ inch gap in between the rubber and the outer portion of the torsional damper. And I've got a new one here laid out on the table to give you an idea of what it normally looks like. So normally you shouldn't see a gap in between the rubber portion and the outer housing of the torsional damper. So that's just a quick way to check that. And if I turn this up on the side, you can kind of see what I'm talking about this gap there in between the rubber portion and the outer housing of this torsional damper. So that's just a quick way to take a look at that and see if you've basically have a torsional damper that's about to fail. I'll show you where that's at here on the back of the flywheel. Here, that connects your drive shaft to the rear flywheel on the engine, okay? And so just remember, if you've got some premature failures of that engine torsional damper, okay, there is some solutions out there that talks about alignment, okay, because the engine sets on rubber mounts here, and then also back on the transmission it sets up on rubber mounts as well. And so that alignment between engine and transmission is pretty important on the life of that torsional damper. Just a quick tech tip of the day, how to inspect that. Quick way to inspect your torsional damper on your 9R tractor. And appreciate you guys watching the videos. We got more videos coming soon. Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here, other videos here, subscribe here, and buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
we're gonna have to make it.
We'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
you need some food.
Y'all already burned me out. He's sitting in the sun over here, man.